Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin now by getting the right ball and body ready. This matters because consistency starts with equipment and mobility. Start small, drop the ball from waist height and use your dominant foot to tap it back up gently. Keep your knee soft and ankle locked to control rebound. Once done, add a second tap with the opposite foot. Make sure to breathe and focus on contact point, the top third of the ball, to create predictable bounce for each repetition. You now train rhythm and switching between feet. This is where control meets coordination. Start sets of 10 alternating touches, using the inside of one foot then the other, and keep your posture upright with slight knee bend. Once comfortable, introduce top-of-foot flicks to manage higher rebounds. Make sure to vary the ball height between 0, 5, and 1, 5 meters so you learn timing across trajectories. As you progress, reduce conscious thought and let rhythm take over. Your feet will begin to predict the ball. You finish by consolidating endurance and real-world skill. Aim for continuous juggles of 30 to 60 seconds and celebrate incremental streaks. Introduce movement. Take 3 to 5 light steps while juggling to learn balance under motion. Once done, practice under mild fatigue to build resilience. If problems arise, troubleshoot deliberately. Lower the drop by 10 to 20 centimeters or tweak your toe angle slightly to increase surface contact. This immediate fix corrects common timing or pop inconsistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.